darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? Edrikan is in the building. Hello, my darling. Hello, my darling. Hello, Fumi Nation. Are you loving the merch, baby? Are you loving the merch? When I tell you the fabulosity, I live for it. Just click the link down below and get yours, sis. Thank you, Edrikan. When I tell you, I live for it. And the bust, fabulosity. So Fumi Nation, here we are. We're going to do part 2. And then I just wanted to show you, look at my arms. Look at my arms. Look at my arms. For the longest time, I had this flap. I hated it. Look at my arms. When I tell you Edrikan is the queen. Thank you, sis. So today, we are going to do the core, the tummy. Yep. And then we're going to do legs. And then we're going to talk a little bit about nutrition, about supplementing one meal, take it all the way out, and having a shake in its place. And it just transforms us. So how are you, Fumi Nation? I am so happy that you guys are showing up. The first episode was a fabulous success. Congratulations to you guys. And it's always here on the channel for you guys to do. We are both 54. Hello, 50s. Oh
my God.
Hello, 50s.
It's a blessing.
Take the floor before we start, Mama. Let them know.
Good morning, good afternoon, or wherever you are in the part of the world. Great to have you. All right, so like Fumi said, we're going to get started. We're going to do lower body, and we're going to do core. So we're going to start off with our dumbbells, or like Fumi had last week, a bottled water, can, whatever it is. And we're going to go into the basic squat, right? So I'm going to grab my 5-pound weights. I want you guys standing a little bit wider than shoulder width apart, right? So where your shoulders are, just a little bit wider than that. Let me back up so you can really see me. So we're going to squat think about it as if you're sitting in a seat, right? And keep that chest up. So it looks like this from the front. Watch me from the side before we get started, right? Boom. Come up, squeeze your glutes like you're trying to crack a walnut, all right? Squeeze them, all right? So that's 1. So we have a set of 12, all right? Here's your first set. Are we ready, Fumi? Are we ready, Fumi Nation?
Ready, baby.
Let's go. First set for 12. Here we go. We're down for 1. Good. Let me back it up. That's 2. Come up, squeeze your glutes. Nice pace. Good. 3. 4, squeeze. 5, 6, keep that core tight. 5, 4, looking good. 3, nice. Last 2, and 1. That's the first set. So take yourself, do 3 to 5, however many sets you guys want to do. You can stop, pause, come back in, and finish up.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. Is that cool?
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. My eye is watering for some reason, and I don't have tissue, but it's okay.
Okay, perfect. All right, your second set are lateral lunges. So back up. Okay, guys, so you're going to go mid-range, or if you want to go lower, you absolutely can go lower. But it looks like this. You're taking it to the side. I like to have my leg in between my weights. So I'm like this, right? Some people like to go here. This is me. Choose your position. So that's 1. Press off of your heel. Bring the feet together. Exchange it out.
Okay.
Okay? All right. So I'll do it. You want me to start over, Boom?
Yep.
Okay, now we're going to go into the lateral lunges, guys. So what that looks like is you're going to take it to the side. You can go mid-range or you can go low. Have your leg in between your weights. That's how I like to do it. Or you can put your weights in the center. Press off of your heel. Bring it together to go into the other leg. We're alternating. Boom.
Yeah.
That's 1. Okay, are we ready?
We're ready.
Let's go. We got 12. 1. Good. Bring it together. Other side. 2. Nice. Let's go. 3. Press off that heel. Yes, ma'am. Here's 5. Nice. Halfway there with this one. This is 6. Keep that core tight. Last 5. Let's go. 5. 4. Good. 3. Nice. Press up. Last 2. We got it. 2. And 1. Awesome. Perfect. Those are your lateral lunges, okay? Perfect. So now we're going to go into what's called the reverse lunge, right? Same thing, your stance. Shoulder a little bit wider than shoulder width apart. You're going to take your right leg or your left leg back. It looks like this. Yeah. Don't let that knee go out. Keep it straight, okay? Press off the front heel. Bring it up to exchange it out for the other foot. Boom. Got it?
Yep.
Are we ready? Here we go. Let's go. Here we go. 4, 1. 2. 3. 4. Squeeze those glutes. 5. Watch that core. 6. 6. Good. Last 5. Woo. 4. Yeah, you got it. Nice. Looking good. 3. Last 2. Almost there. Here it is. And 1. Good. Perfect. Awesome. So now, guys, we worked the front of those legs. Let's work those hamstrings. These are your hamstrings. You don't want this all rounded and this is flat. Come up. Squeeze those glutes again. That's 1. So it looks like this.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ready? Let's go for 12. Here we go. 1. Yep, squeeze your glutes. Let's go. 2. 3. 4. Good. 5. Squeeze. Come on. 6. We're halfway there. 6. Last 5. That's 4. Last 3. 2. Let's go. And 1. Perfect. So those are your hamstring exercise. You just did your deadlifts. So our final exercise, we're going to get into those calves. When you're walking around in your heels and those calves are popping off, you can thank these calf raises. So you got 3 positions with your calf raises. You got parallel. We have inward toes, and then we have inward heels. We're going to get that whole muscle back there, right? So your waist can just hang to the side as you come up on the balls of your feet. Core's tight. Are we ready? We have 12 parallel. Here we go. My count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Core tight. 4, 5. Come on. 6 are going. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So now we have the second position, that's inward toes. Here we go, up for 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6. 6 to go. 6, 5, 4. Last 3. Come on. Up, 2, and 1. Perfect. Last position. For all my dancers out there, this is first position. All right, here we go. Up for 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. There you go, guys. So that's your circuit. Do that a minimum of 3 rounds, guys. Give yourself at least a minimum of 3. If you want to do more, but at least 3 for me, okay?
Yeah.
Perfect. So you can put those at least one of those dumbbells away. You're gonna need one of them for your core, okay? Which is what we're about to get into now.
And guys, if you don't have a mat, don't worry about it. Just take a towel. It's not a big deal, okay? Just take like a fun towel and just have that out here. Okay.
All right, so we're gonna
know.
Yep, so we're gonna go into our crunches. We're just gonna do a set of 12 first to start you off. So guys, you're doing your crunches, and you're putting your head on your hands. I don't want you pressing your head forward where your chin is hitting your chest, okay?
All right.
Think about an orange or an apple in between your chin and come up to contract, all right?
Okay, yeah.
Here, ready?
Yeah.
We got 12. Let's go up. We're up for 1. Come on. 2, squeeze. 3, 4, 6. Come on, squeeze. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Those are your stretches. I want you to try to work your way up to 20, but that's 12 to start you off.
Yeah.
Okay. So, all right. So your next exercise is what we call heel taps. Same concept as the crunch, but you're up. You're already contracted, and you're going to reach for the sides of your heels, right? So we're reaching. We get into those obliques. So 4, 5, 6, 5. Come on. 4. Feel it. 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Those are your heel taps. Good. Perfect.
Good job, Fumi Nation. And remember, Fumi Nation, that this is just one set. Okay? It's one set. You can do the whole thing twice, 3 times. You build it up. The one set is for you just to make sure that, you know what, like Edrikan DID said, you're not hurt, you're not pulling a muscle, nothing. I'm going to put the disclaimer underneath as well for you guys. Make sure that you see a physician first and everything, because we don't want to be responsible for nothing. So you have to make sure that you're in steady health, mentally, physically, emotionally, before you come on through here, and take it in baby steps, because the advanced is advanced. But this is just for you to feel your way out and say, okay, I can do this, and I can get to this if I do it consistently. You can lift weights every day, but you do the arms, the torso, then the next day you do the legs and the torso. You always do a little something, but you let those muscles rest. Because Edrikan, when I tell you, I felt it here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes. And it's all about consistency. I mean, and we're doing 20% of it, right? Your physical activity is 20% of that pie. 80% of it is your nutrition, right?
Yes.
So I tell people, like, you could be the baddest athlete, you know, and working out every day, but if you sabotage it with your nutrition, it's like you just never did it.
Tell us.
Those are my words.
Okay.
Yeah. So for me, you know, like, if you're a person who skips breakfast, or you don't like eating breakfast or a meal or whatever, you're skipping meals, you're like, I hardly eat, I don't understand why I'm not losing weight. That's the problem. So for me, I like to supplement like my breakfast. Most of the time I supplement my breakfast with one of my shakes. I use like Herbalife shakes. It's a meal replacement. They come in a variety of flavors. It gives me 24 grams of protein. It's low calories and it's low sugar.
Do you have one here to show us?
I do.
Perfect.
What I'm drinking now this is the orange cream.
Yes.
Orange cream. This is 9 grams of protein, right? This right? So when I say low calories, right? This right here is 90 calories. This is the protein drink mix. I mix these two together to give me 24 grams of protein, right? And it's a complete meal, you guys. It's a complete meal.
What does it taste like, this one?
Oh, no, baby. What does it taste like? It's so good. No aftertaste or anything like that. And you can add a little bit of fruit in here if you want to. Not too much. Sometimes I'll add like a half a banana or something, or sometimes I'll just drink it alone, you know. But this is what I do. I supplement with these.
And you'll have the link below for me to put in.
Yeah, they can. Yeah, I have a website. They can go and take the survey and everything, and we can talk about it. They're interested.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
So
Fantastic. Well, Fumi Nation, that is episode 2. Do you see how light and copacetic it is? So you get the exercise, which again, I said that you can repeat. You also have the merch, which I love. I absolutely love, 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 love. And then you have meal supplements. To be honest, you're 100% right. Why? Because I'm doing the school run with Adrian. I always miss breakfast. That means that while I'm making his lunch for nursery, I can make my supplement and drink it on the go. Because 90% of the time when I leave the house in the mornings, I don't come back. I go and do my errands. I go to the post office. I go to the dry cleaners. I go to the supermarket to get stuff, before I come home, because I work from home, to sit now to get things done. And so because of that, I find myself snacking on the way, because by the time I finish from the dry cleaners, from the post office, the lineup and everything, I'm hungry. So I grab a bar thinking it's just a little bar, but it's a little bar that comes right back to the waistline, and that's not what you want. So I like that supplement on the go. I used to also take tea in the mornings, but if this makes me feel full, that means I'm good until lunch or until a healthier snack when I get home.
That's right. And what you just said was very good when you said healthy snack. Healthy, that's what you want to do. If you are a snacker, you want to snack healthy. Can I rattle off a few snacks that you might want to do?
Please do.
You got your carrots. You can do carrots and hummus. You can do hard-boiled eggs. The protein bar is fine. That's cool. Just make sure it's 200 or less calories, low sugar. You always want the sugar to be less than the protein. That's fine. So things like that. Your nuts, if you like pistachios, things like those are the type of the snacks that you want to be snacking on. Sensible, healthy snack. Yeah.
I love it. I love it. I love it. Edrikan, my darling, have a wonderful week. Fumi Nation, have a wonderful week. Congratulations, because the first step really is mental. Once you are mentally there, you are really truly halfway there. So we will see you guys next week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button. The links will be there for all of the shakes, for the merch, for Edrikan's website. Well, I put it there anyway. Her Instagram as well as her website. Hey, listen, her unapologetically who I am is also where you see the mini workouts. She's fantastic because she gives you all of those for the week. So if you want to do a little something during the week, you've got that. Okay, I love you, Fumi Nation. I'll see you next week. Bye. Edrikan, I love.